Good evening! How are you? My name is Peter. We're going to have so much fun today. But before today's experiment, can everyone say, "Hello, Peter"? Thank you very much. It's really nice to be with you all. Let's start today's experiment. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Say yes. Great job. Now, look at the picture. What is it? Very good. It's a bottle of tincture of iodine, and it is brown. What is it usually used for? Well done! It's usually used in homes and in hospitals and can be used to disinfect the surface of a wound. In today's experiment, we need tincture of iodine. Now repeat after me. Tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine. Go! Perfect! Now do it one more time, okay? Go! Great job! Now, we have some water in cup 1. What will we do next? In step 2, we will add tincture of iodine to the water. Now, repeat after me twice. Once slowly and once fast. Add some tincture of iodine to the water. Go. Now let's say it faster. Add some tincture of iodine to the water. Go. Fantastic! Now, listen and choose. What do we add to water in step 2? The right answer is B, tincture of iodine. Well done! Now, do you remember what we should do in step 2? We add tincture of iodine to the water. Now, can you choose which picture shows step 2? The right answer is B. Fantastic work. Now show me, what's step 2? Ready? Go! Wow, that's great! Did you do it right? Let's see what we did in step 2. We added tincture of iodine to the water. Very good! Wow, what's that in the liquid? And what are they doing? Clever! There's some brown fairies chasing each other in the liquid. It looks like they're having great fun, doesn't it? I can't wait to see what will happen next. Do you see some white fairies above the liquid? They look angry and carry magical wands in their hands. It looks like they want to fight the brown fairies. Can you guess the reason? It's because the white fairies want to occupy the liquid. Now, let's see what will happen. Look! Some of the white fairies jump down into the liquid, and suddenly white men come out. Then the liquid above turns white too. Don't you think it's magical? And it seems the white fairies will win this battle and occupy the liquid. Now, look what happens. Yeah, the solution becomes colourless quickly. Do you know the reason? The reason is because of a type of chemical reaction called redox. Tincture of iodine has strong oxidizability. Vitamin C has strong reducibility. When they're mixed, a redox reaction occurs to form a colourless substance. Now we understand the chemical properties of vitamin C and the principle. The redox reaction between vitamin C and tincture of iodine produces a colourless solution. Oh no, we've reached the end, and it's time for us to say goodbye. But before we go, let me see how many of you remember the video we watched before class. Great! Dr. Aaron poured some lemon juice on the surface of an apple to prevent it from going yellow. Do you know the reason? Clever! That's because lemon juice contains vitamin C, and vitamin C has strong reducibility. If we add lemon juice onto the apple, it prevents the apple from being oxidized. So, did you enjoy our experiment today? Well, I'm glad to hear that. I enjoyed our experiment too. You've done a great job. So next time you don't want your apples to turn yellow, you can use this method. By the way, I know you have a package of materials. Why don't you try the experiment yourselves? Promise me you'll give it a try, okay? Alright, that's the end of today's experiment. I look forward to seeing your photos about the magical vitamin C experiment. If you do, post it on your social media and I'll have a look. Until then, goodbye.